Okay, question 46 is a little confusing. And all it's saying is if you have a boat and it tips over and it's heeled, they want to know what this angle is right here. And they're telling you that this is 90 degrees and it's perpendicular with the water. So what you've got to figure out is think about this as parallel lines. So if I redrew this and I drew this part right here as a line, and I drew this longer one as another line, and we know it's 90 degrees, and we know this is 90 degrees because that used to be the mast, and the mast is always 90 degrees with the water. So we know that they're going both at 90 degrees, so it must mean they're going in the same direction, so they're parallel lines. Now the mast is now at an angle, so this would be the service road, and if I connect it, it would look like that. So in other words, what they want to know is what is this, because this would be x. And how do I figure this out? Well, you do have a triangle, and you do know that this is 90 degrees, right? And remember, the sail still is the same sail, so this also has to be 78. And remember, all three angles in a triangle add up to 180. So if you go 90 plus 78 minus 180, you'll get 12 degrees for this top angle. So that means up here is 12 degrees. And remember, when you have a highway and a highway, and this is the service road, and you have the alternate interior angles, we know they always have to be equal. So that means that this would also have to be 12 degrees. So that means right here is 12 degrees. So yeah, it is a little bit more of a complicated question, but if you remember parallel lines, then you would have been able to solve this.